Hi everyone, this is your girl Bella Sweet, and today I'll be teaching you how to make Jamaican Bulla. I'm excited and I hope you are too. Okay, so the first thing you start by is washing your hand. Make sure you wash those hands and make sure those fingernails are clean, okay? Cut, no long nails, cut and clean. Alright, so let's begin. I washed my hand already, guys. So I'm gonna start. Let me introduce to you my all-purpose flour. This is what I'll be using. Okay. So I already have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and you can use this is give you a good measurement also. And then I'll be using my baking soda. I'm gonna use a half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'll be using my baking powder, and I'll be using a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm also gonna have my nice chocolate brown sugar and my margarine. I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons of margarine. Alright, I'll be using some vanilla, so you know, so the thing are full of flavor, and nothing egg, and also cinnamon. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get all my ingredients in, and instead of using water, I'm gonna use milk. Yes, so milk is what I'm gonna use in my bowl. I'm just gonna add my baking powder to my mixture. I'm gonna go ahead and measure my baking soda, because what will happen if you put too much of this thing, it might get your stuff a little bit bitter. So just when you're gonna make sure so you get the measurement right. This thing come like so, you know, want to come out. You know, want to come in on my bowl today. Look like she won't come in my bowl at all. Anyway, and there you go, just a half a teaspoon. Mix in. Thank you. Now we're gonna add all of the storage dry ingredients. And one more thing, my flour, I sieve the flour. So I'm gonna add just a little, not too much, but my nutmeg egg. I think I need a little more nutmeg egg in this thing. And then I'm gonna put my cinnamon. Oh, this is really nice too. You know, your cinnamon, nutmeg egg, vanilla, you know, your cornmeal porridge, full of flavor. And now I'm gonna put like the tablespoon of vanilla inside. Don't worry about it, it's not gonna make the thing hard or lumpy. Just gonna stay until you're ready to do your thing. Then I'm gonna add my sugar. Wow, I tell you, I know if you think me I forget salt in everything, you know. If you think now no salt, it loses flavor. Alright, not too much, just a little tip of salt. Some salt, that's some salt there. Salt. Get all this thing mixed up using a spoon just to carry it around and around and around. There you go. Some workman the next door, so it's a little bit noisy. I must apologize, guys. get my butter in. So I just use 2 tablespoons of butter. Now this is where my hand gonna come into the mixture again, and I wash my hands again, but instead of water I'm gonna use milk. So I'm pouring my milk. Then it's nice and cold, and that's fine too. Just get the thing mixed up and mix up. You don't want your dough too hard. It's gonna be very soft, not soft as in like if you make drop dumpling for Jamaican say people. Sometimes when our parents get old, they want the dumpling drop, they don't want it too tough. So as you can see, the thing look good already. See the guys, this little thing look nice already, and it's not done yet. Just getting my dough in a nice, guys, you don't want to smell of my thing smell nice. All this flavor inside of my thing really nice like whoa. Yes. Make sure so you get the thing good enough, the thing of it the proper sitting we say. Really nice. See more. Since you don't need too much, I'm just gonna put some dry flour, just a little, and the dough now to get it molded up all nice. And I'm gonna let this then I'm gonna let this sit for about 25 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what it's look like. One is so really nice, smell good, texture. See, and you don't want it to take, so when you open it, it should be like this. You can be able to break it apart without not sticking on your hand. So this is what your dough should look like. Alright, so I'm just kneading because it really needs some good kneading. Yeah, you'll get some dropping on your countertop, but don't worry about that. Just go on, do your thing. So this is what the dough look like. Looking sweet. See? This is what your dough should look like. Very nice, and like I said, it must be easily breakable, not stickable, but breakable. Okay. So I'm gonna cover this and I'm gonna leave it for 25 minutes, and then I'll get back to you and show you my finishing product. Okay, I'm back, and now I'm gonna do some rolling of my dough. So it's on the count. I already put some flour. And guys, guess what? Check out my roller. Yo, mad thing this, me I tell you guys. Mad thing. Roller turn up. Yeah, man. Roll it out, you know. Roll it out bad. And now, me I go take my ball out of this. The thing neat and nice and turn up. 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 Turn, turn. Bad roller this, me I tell her. Now I'm gonna use a jug thingy to just cut out my bulla like this. Me just go mack up my bulla. Turn up. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the parchment paper. Yeah. Over one heat up and nice up. Then now I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on top of my thing. Nice and neat, you know. So I'm ready. I'm gonna lift up the one that I cut out now. I'm gonna lift it out like this. Put it down and knead it up. So let me cut it out there. Cut it out. I'm gonna take up my thing like this. My thing come out. Put it down like this. I only have one more up here, so what me I do? Guys, smells so delicious. Trust me. Like me can't get out one more before I roll it again. This thing really nice. I can't wait to have it with my avocado, aka pear, or some nice cheese, you know. Pear or some nice cheese. So still have some dough left. I'm going to roll it up again. Roll it up, roll it up, roll it up. Look like I could take a little more flour up on the countertop. Put up some more. Just to get it rolled out, you know. Then me go roll it again with a bad roller. That one and only me can't tell you the price sweet, trust me. But me say the thing bad, and the thing turn up. Thing bad so much. Wow. It's amazing, it man. Amazing. Yes guys, my bulla is out of the oven. This is the finishing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some butter on the top. Allows it to sit in, but trust me, it's nice. Oh, can't wait. Can't wait. I see my thing turn up. Bulla didn't smell really good. Can't wait to taste it. So hope you learn how to make Jamaican Bulla. And for all those who don't understand patois, it's a form of broken English. you can text me below in the comment section and I'll give you the ingredients. But for now, here's my nice Jamaican golden brown and delicious bulla cake, you know. For now, I'm out. Bless you all, guys, and